Hi, kindergarten families. Mrs. Feldkamp here. It's Friday, so I finally have time to do a little tutorial on how to actually respond to Seesaw activities. Um, I didn't realize it was going to be as kind of confusing as it is, and it really is, depending on what device you're on. So don't feel bad if it's been a little cumbersome for you. Um, anyway, so to get started, you need to click Add Response. Okay, you can't just click on the picture or you won't be able to do anything. It'll just look like a slideshow. So then select the child's name. So I'll just do a sample and it should look just like yours. I'm on a computer right now doing this, just so you know, like that's what device I'm using. Okay, so here's the first slide. There's nothing to do here. If you need to look at the instructions, you would just click up here. Off to the side, you can see there's all the other slides. If I'm looking at it on a mobile device, there's an arrow that you can click through, but on my computer, I believe you have to click on the side. Okay, and then here it'll give the child a reminder of what they're supposed to be doing. So for this one, click the letter and drag it. Okay, once you get all done with that, you can just click on to the next slide. This one looks like a pocket chart. There's a missing letter. Select the right one and drag it. Once I get done with that, I'll go on to the next one. And it's drag the emojis to trace the letters like this. Once I get done with that, I just keep going through. If there's one like this one, where you have to trace, you just select the pencil or pen or marker tool at the bottom. You can choose the color by sliding this on the right here. And it's a little harder if you have to do it with a touchpad mouse. It's easier if you have a touch screen for some of those tracing activities. For this, you can type the letter in the box, and so you would just double click, and then the child can practice finding the letter on the keyboard. Okay? When you get all the way through the activities, or your child is doing as many as they plan to, you need to click this circle to turn it in with a check mark in it. And then it should turn it in. And there it goes. Then I can approve it and respond to it, okay? I hope that helps you. I'm sorry that I didn't get this tutorial out when I released the first activity, but I hope going forward that can kind of help you understand how to do them. Thanks a lot.